Picture starting your day with the confidence that your workload is under control and your productivity has never been higher. All thanks to a clear understanding of artificial intelligence. In our AI for Paralegals course, you discover practical AI tools designed specifically for the legal world. This program is not built on abstract theories. Instead, you'll work with user-friendly applications that reduce time spent on routine tasks like document review and legal research, freeing you to focus on the work that truly matters. As a paralegal, embracing AI means working smarter and more efficiently. You will learn how to navigate essential platforms for legal research, document drafting, contract analysis, and task automation. With accessible video courses, hands-on exercises, and even audio content to learn on the go, you receive a complete roadmap to integrating AI into your daily workflow. Every module is carefully updated to bring you the latest insights and real-world applications, ensuring that you progress confidently at every step. By mastering these strategies, you become an invaluable asset at your firm. The skills you gain here are immediately applicable to your responsibilities, enhancing your overall impact and paving the way for higher value tasks. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Discover all the AI for Paralegals training courses at completeaitraining.com and take the next step toward a more efficient and rewarding legal career.